All right, what's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be looking at Terra Luna. Okay, so Terra and their coin is Luna. We'll get into the coin in like 30 seconds. Okay, I just want to show you guys the actual website, terra.money. Okay, so they are programmable money for the internet. You can spend, save, and stake like never before. Terra is a public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithmic decentralized stablecoins, which underpin a thriving ecosystem that brings DeFi to the masses. Okay, that sounded really complicated. All right. Basically, what they're doing is they're making it really easy for people to purchase. They have, as they say, the industry leading decentralized stablecoin. What that means is that this is a coin that represents $1 US dollar. Okay, so no matter if you put in 1,000 US dollars into it, the coin is going to be worth 1,000 US dollars. Okay, but what's really good about these stable coins is that they pay an APY. Okay, and there's a lot more that Terra does. And they're really good. Definitely go to their website. You can watch the documentary. Okay, they're supported by leading blockchains. Okay, and you can check out the bridge. But I mean, you can check out here. They compatible with Binance. Polygon, Solana, Ethereum. A lot of the major ones. Okay, so um, definitely very bullish on this, and I think that this has a good, I feel like the best investments, okay, when you're trying to make investments with crypto versus just trading or trying to ride a hype wave. Okay, if you're looking for something that's actually going to be possibly an industry leader in the next 5 to 10 years, then Terra is something to look at and do your own research on. Okay, if you guys want an in-depth deep dive, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do that for you. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and dive into the chart. Last time I gave you guys the chart, okay, I said this was going to be our base support. All right, to hit these bullish price targets. Okay, so we fell below that base support. Crypto and Bitcoin was kind of crashing. All right. But Luna's has been recovering nicely. Okay, so we dipped below there and we got back to our base support above 63.50, right? And now if you look, we met resistance right at our blue line right here. Okay, the way I do it is the blue is signifies a breakout zone. So now we're in breakout territory because we're above that blue resistance at 78.26, right? And then I have a bullish price target up here at 93.25. And this little white dotted line is basically going to be a resistance level in between my breakout level and my bullish price target. Okay. Now crypto tends to move pretty fast and dramatically. Okay, so if this thing continues to see increased volume, okay, so we have a nice amount of volume here. Volume's been decent, but if we can get volume up to these levels, like it is today, then we can see Luna keep going in. Okay, because we're going to need more buyers to raise the price higher. That's how liquidity pools, and that's how like the price of crypto is affected. Okay, is you need more buyers. If there's not enough buyers coming in and willing to pay for more, then it's not going to go any higher. All right, so another thing I want to show you guys is also the Fibonacci's. They played out really well. I have a Fibonacci tutorial. You guys can look at that in the top right hand corner. Okay, but for now I'll just go ahead and draw it and give you guys a quick synopsis. All right, so what you do is you take your swing lows on the chart, which are right here, and then your swing high. All right, and we're looking at the daily chart, so this is a large time frame. Each candlestick is representing a day, and this little golden area right here between the 0.618 and the 0.65 on the Fibonacci's is what's known as like the golden ratio or the golden pocket, right? And so after we made our highs, we did come back down and find support in there. Okay, so we bounced in the golden pocket, the golden ratio area. After falling down in there, we found support the next day, and we've been going on a bull run ever since. Okay, so there's two ways to basically look at Luna right now. What you can do is you can do something like this, right? And maybe just readjust it a little bit. Okay, and so we could say in between around 62 and 64, 63 to 64 on Luna, that would be our new golden pocket. Okay, so You know, we are in breakout territory, as I previously showed you guys and described. We're above 78.26. So as long as we stay above 78.26, we're in breakout territory to potentially hit our bullish price targets. Okay, so keep that in mind. But you know, if we do pull back, let's say like you know, crypto or Bitcoin or something like that just has a really bad couple weeks or a few days, or you know, a bad week or two, something like that, bad month, and this thing pulls back, you know, look for it to try to find some support in between 63 and 64 if you know, we break our support at 78.26. All right. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any cryptos you want me to, you know, analyze for you or do a deep dive on, any stocks also, you know, we do stocks and crypto trade options, everything in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. And you can get access to the call outs, our entries and our exits. You get all of our intraday thought process on the markets. You know, what are we looking at? Everything. Okay. There's a bunch of resources in there. It's definitely worth it. Okay. You can use code Zachly and get yourself a discount on the membership.